Oh hey guys, it's Saturday morning. It's snowy and gloomy outside, so I decided I'm going to stay in the garage today and start episode 2 of the Supra Build. Today is going to be a lot of the disassembly. I'm going to take off the intercooler, take off the turbo, the manifold, maybe the downpipe, some odds and ends, clean up the HIDs, size up my brakes, do that sort of thing today. A lot of the stuff on the car right now is spoken for, like the intercooler, all the piping, the turbo manifold, maybe the turbo. I still have the SAFC2 I gotta get rid of, the downpipe. So stay tuned and see what's in store for episode 2. So I'm going to move down the line on the intercooler pipe, and you can notice that the intercooler has a lot of these orange reinforced silicone pipes. I didn't put those on, they were on the car when I got it 5, 6, 7 years ago, but the they hold a lot more pressure, right? So I can only imagine the reason why the previous owner put them on was to have absolutely no issues with blowing off a boost tube. And so far I have not had that problem. I did once, and it was this corner up here, and then I think I replaced that one with one of these guys. So if you're packing a lot of punch and you're with high boost, you know, this is an option. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll get the job done. Alright guys, so I got all the piping off, and the pipes are really clean. There's absolutely no oil in any of them. So the turbo's in good shape, but I did notice something, and it's kind of comical, is the elbow off of the turbo is custom, if you will, and I've been having a boost leak for quite some time. So if you can see that, hopefully the camera is focusing on it, but that's right through. So I was bringing the car back from the body shop, the car fell on its face, and I'm pretty sure that would be the reason why, is I had a major boost leak. So that's kind of cool that I figured that out, potentially. But all of the intercooler piping is off. The intercooler needs to come off now, and then I'll be taking the turbo off. Alright, so I'm just going to inspect the turbo from what I can. There's absolutely minimal shaft play in this thing. Minimal. And I've been running like that for, like I said, 4 or 5 years. The turbo must be built pretty good. I'm pretty sure it's the one that came with the Turbo XS kit, which is what this car is running currently. Alright, so I got the oil line off. this 20-footer here. That's off, the return's off, and Jordan came over and we're gonna start working on getting the turbo and the manifold off and go from there. All right, so making some progress on the front end. I took the fan shroud out and my fan, and I have a TT fan over here off one of my other cars, but I noticed that the clutch is in a lot worse off shape than my NA engine. So I'm going to take the fan off, put it on this clutch, and call it a day, and make sure that it is the same, because as you can see, the NA fan is different than the TT fan, and I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the, I can't remember, the the water pipe, I'm pretty sure, on the TT. That's why it's pushed out more, so that it clears the water pipe. I'm pretty sure that's why, but you can see the difference. So here's the TT fan. It actually cleaned up pretty good. The fan came out really well. If I put more effort into it, I could probably get it cleaner, but like, why at the end of the day? It's not going to do anything for me. It's going to work like it should. So I'm probably going to leave it the way it is. Maybe paint it, I don't know yet, because eventually the car might have the Powerhouse Racing dual electric fans. So yeah, we are still working away at the turbo. Here's my stockpile of parts. But we're still working away on the turbo. It's coming slowly but surely. Got the Canon back, so we're just recording all the work and gonna put that into the mix somehow. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we finally got the turbo off, so that's exciting. They did everything right for the most part, whoever did this on my car. The manifold actually looks like it's in pretty good shape, and it's not, like the welds look good, the ports are good. Like, it's a really nice manifold, actually. I wonder if I'll be able to see a brand sticker somewhere or engraving or whatever. But that's really good. I'm impressed. Turbo is in super good shape. Really clean inside. Compressor wheel is in really good shape. Very, very minimal shaft play. So, yeah, everything's in really good shape with this setup. So I'm quite impressed. So, I mean, really, another 4-hour day of unplugging crap and taking our time, and the engine will be out. So I think the next episode will be episode 4. I'm going to have 2 parts to episode 3 because it's so long today. I'll have parts A and B most likely, and I'll post that up tonight. But we got pretty far today. Got the turbo off, the manifold off, rad out, and everything cleaned up, put back together. So I think that concludes the video for now. We're just going to clean up here and get ready for the motor pull, and then I'm going to edit all this and put it together for episode 2, part A and B. Episode 3 will be the part where we take the engine out. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe. Peace.